Hello all. Imagine someone asks you what you do while he was out of town last weekend.
Hey, we are finally home.
Thank goodness, that trip was exhausting.
Hi, Grandpa. When did you arrive home?
We just arrived, dear. I was waiting for you to come and say hello to us.
Sorry, Grandpa. I was in my room. I was chatting with my friends and I didn't listen to you.
How's everything going?
Seems a bit down. Are you okay?
It was pretty regular. A little boring. To be honest.
Seriously? I can't believe it. What do you do all this time?
I was occupied with my school project for the majority of the time.
Did you score good marks in your school?
I excelled in most subjects. I encountered difficulties in English, which was quite frustrating.
But you attended coaching classes to assist you.
Yeah, thank you for that. But I can't understand grammar. I don't know why.
I understand, but it's okay. I struggled with English when I was in school.
Really, I didn't know that. Well, I got a good grade at sports.
You really enjoy playing chess, don't you?
You could become a professional chess player one day.
I was thinking about that. And I want to ask you for something as a favor.
Okay.
How much do you need?
I don't need the money. But I need you to pay some extra for chess classes, please.
But you're already taking chess classes online. Isn't that enough?
The classes don't suffice. I'd like to buy a book on new chess moves. But it's quite expensive.
Okay, we will see, dear.
Did you do all the chores I told you to do?
Absolutely, I made sure to be home on time every day. After my chess class to take care of the cleaning.
Was it like this every single day?
Yes, mop the floor. Wash the clothes and did the dishes.
Did you call the plumber to fix the head shower that was leaking?
I called him last week, but he came the next day. He fixed the head shower as well washing machine.
Wait. It was not broken. What happened to that?
I was going to tell you. But please don't get mad at me.
What did you do?
It was an accident. Well, actually, it was my fault. As usual, I was putting soiled clothing into the machine. When my friend called me for help, I stepped away to assist him, clothes getting clogged and stop working.
How many times did I tell you not to put soiled clothes into the machine? It always led to clogs.
I know, but I didn't realize. That's how the machine broke down.
Well, at least you call the plumber.
Yeah, when I realized it was not working.
How much did it cost to get it repaired?
It costed $120. You don't have to worry, I paid it from my pocket money.
Appreciated, dear. What else happened?
Well, I also tried to contact neighbor Jane to ask help.
You know Jane traveled to Paris last week.
I knew. I just wanted to see if Jane's husband was there. Is it bad that tried to contact him?
Of course, not, he's your neighbor. Anyway, did he answer your call?
Yeah. And he told me he was stuck in a meeting so he would come late.
I see a new laptop in your study room. Was it new?
Yes, Grandpa. I bought a new laptop for my school project.
But you already had one. What happened to the old one?
It was very slow. And that we bought 6 years ago. It's typical to replace a laptop every 6 years. Because it wasn't upgraded to the latest applications.
I get it, but you didn't ask my permission. Why didn't you do that?
Your signal was not reachable at the moment.
All right, I understand. You needed this to do your school project and to study, right?
Yeah, Grandpa. Obviously.
I had to do my Excel work. So that's why I had to buy it.
I need to take a nap.
Okay, Granny. I forgot to mention earlier. Your old friend Sarah called.
Sarah. How nice. What did she say?
She told me to tell you if you want to watch horse riding this Sunday.
Oh, really? It's been such a long time.
She has the tickets, so she wants you to join. But she insisted. Are you interested?
Well, why not? Let's see how it goes.
Okay, now can I go to my room?
It's time to attend my online chess class.
If you can get good grades, I can pay of your chess classes.
Seriously. Thank you so much. That I promise I will work hard to get it.
I'm sure that my granddaughter works really hard when she wants to, so I have no doubts.
Thank you for your trust, Granny.
I hope you liked this conversation. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. If you want to support this channel, you can join us or click on the Super Thanks button. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.